In this part of the course, we are going to begin with the report development. So the first thing that we are going to do is to customize the report theme. Now, when you customize the report theme from the beginning, it helps you to have a full control over the report, and this will save you a lot of time formatting and editing your visualizations. Now, to customize the report theme, what we will do is to go to the View tab, and we have themes here. So we have existing themes that you can apply to your report. So we can try with some of the samples that we have here. So I'm going to click on this, and you see that this will have impact on the report, including the background. I can also click on the drop down and pick any of the other options that we have. So I'm going to pick this, and you also see how this looks when we apply it to the report. I can click on the drop down and pick a different one. So here, when you insert any visualization, this is going to define how the visualization looks. For example, if I go in here and I select, let's say, a pie chart, and I go to my financials and I pick country, then I go to analysis and I pick others. You see that this comes with its own color palette, and this will define the look and feel of your visualizations. Now, what I'm going to do is to go back to the default theme. So I'm going to click on this, which is the default. Now I'm going to get rid of this visualization. Then I'll click on the drop down again after I have clicked on the default theme. Then I'm going to pick customize current theme. Now with this, the first thing that we need to do is to provide a name for the theme that we are trying to design. So I'm going to call this guided project. Now within this window, we can pick our theme colors. So I'm going to color one. I'm going to click on the drop down, and I'm going to use the code here. So this will be the first color I'm going to add to the theme colors. Now I'll go to color 2, and I'm also going to use another color here. So I have the hex code that I can apply. So with this, I'm using FF9147, and I'll click outside. I'll go to color 3 and also use the hex code. So this is going to be FF9900. So you can choose your own colors that you want to use for the report. So I'll go to color 4 and also apply another hex code. So these are the colors I'm going to use here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to text. And with my titles, I'm going to change the font family and pick Sego UI. And with cards and KPIs, I'm also going to change the font family, and I'm going to use Sego UI. Then I'll go to visuals. Now with the background, I don't want to use any color for the background. So here I'm going to increase the transparency to 100%. Then I'll go to the border. Now it's set off, so I'm going to maintain this. With the header, I'm not going to change anything here. And then with the tooltip, I'm going to change the background. So I'm going to use 09069D, and this is the hex code I want to use for the background. Now with the label text formatting, I'm going to pick white. And then with the value text formatting, I'm going to use white as well. Then I'll go to the page. So with the wallpaper, we want to use this color here. So we are using the 0969D for the wallpaper. And then I'll go to the page background. I'm using the same color. Then I'll go to the filter pane. Now with the background, I want it to be consistent with the background for the page as well as the wallpaper. So I'm going to use the same color that we are using for the background. And I'm not going to change any other thing here. Now what I'm going to do is to click on apply in order to apply the changes to the current theme that we have applied to this report. So I'm going to click on apply. And now you see that this has changed. So you can see the background and then the wallpaper. Then you can also see the filter pane. Now if you take a look at the filter pane, you would notice that the color of the text is not visible. So what I will do is to click on the drop down again and go to customize current theme. Then I will go to the filter pane, and under the filter pane we have the font and icon color. I'm going to change this and pick white. Now I'm going to click apply. Now if you take a look at this, we have a white font which makes this more visible as compared to the initial text format. Now we have the report theme being customized. So in the next video, we are going to work on the background for the report. So see you in the next video.